Hi everyone, so welcome again to my video. Just a short on how to use ChatGPT, or the alternative that I like to use, the Google version that's called Bard. So I'll share my screen with you now. If you don't already use Generate, then I'd suggest using that as a browser. It's just like Chrome, but you do actually earn from your data, or when you don't want to share data, you can just switch that off. So you can see questions that I've asked in the past, but you can literally ask it anything. So say if you're not sure about where to, oh yeah, let's do a really simple one. Where's the best reasonably priced restaurant in my hometown, which is Sutton, Surrey? You can see other ones that I've used before, like living in Spain, like a travel agent. What's the benefits of using a travel agent? It does save them for you, but if you don't want them saved, you can delete them. And don't, there has a few other tools as well, like links to Google Maps, Google Hotels, flights. But yeah, I would say Sizzy, okay, yeah, that's a reasonably priced one and it's good. I hadn't thought about Bar and Block actually, as it's inside Premier Inn, but yeah. At the place. Okay, I didn't know where that is, but yeah. So you can just link to the map there. But you literally ask it anything. It's so simple and so easy to use.